Hello everyone, I am Lakshmi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We all know that 21st century is an era of rapid change in technology. To thrive in this dynamic world, we need more than academic knowledge. It means we need 21st century skills. Whether you are a student, professional or leader, mastering these abilities will unlock your opportunity and help you navigate an unpredictable world. So I am here to explore a very important terms, 21st century skills and its component. Let's dive with the question, what is 21st century skills? The term 21st century skills are a set of competencies that go beyond traditional academic knowledge, focusing on the abilities needed to succeed in today's fast-changing, technology-driven and interconnected world. These skills emphasize on critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, digital literacy, and adaptability, essential for education, work, and daily life in the modern era. So, these 21st century skills refers to a broad set of character traits, knowledge, work habits, and skills that enhances professional interaction, a broad understanding of various aspects and disciplines, and practices for productivity, practical abilities to apply knowledge effectively. 21st century skill consists of mainly three broad sets of skills, namely learning skills, literacy skills, and life skills. Learning skills further include forces. Literacy skills include INT and life skills include FLIPS. Now let us know what does learning skills mean. So learning skills is required for the acquisition of new knowledge, which include 4 C's. The first C stands for critical thinking and problem solving. It is capability to analyze information objectively, evaluating evidence, and making reasoned decisions. Next, C stands for creativity and innovation, means generating innovative ideas, embracing new perspective, and applying imagination to real-world challenges. Next, C stands for collaboration, means working effectively in teams, respecting diversity, and achieving shared goals through communication. And the last C stands for communication, expressing ideas clearly across verbal, written, and digital platform to engage diverse audiences. So, as we are discussing about the 3L, the next L denotes literacy skill, and it is further categorized into information literacy, that means evaluating and using information effectively and assessing online sources for credibility and avoiding misinformation in the digital age. Similarly, T stands for technology literacy, which means using digital tools effectively and responsibly, and the last M stands for media literacy. It means understanding and critically analyzing media messages, understanding privacy, data protection, and ethical online behavior to navigate risks safely. And the last L denotes life skills, which include FLIPS. So let us know what does it mean. F, the first F stands for flexibility and adaptability, which means adjusting to new challenges and changes. The next L stands for leadership and responsibility, that means guiding and motivating others ethically. And the next I stand for initiative and self-direction, taking responsibility for one's learning. The P stands for productivity and accountability, enabling to complete tasks within a given time frame and feel responsible for their action, making them more reliable. And the last S stands for social and cross-cultural skills, that means interacting respectfully with diverse groups. So we can conclude that 21st century skills are vital for success in today's fast-changing world. They equip individuals to solve problems, adapt to new technology, and collaborate globally, ensuring relevance in education, careers, and society. These skills bridge the gap between traditional learning and lifelong growth. So at last, I want to say that let's commit in developing these skills not just for personal success but to contribute meaningful to society. The future is not just something we enter, it's something we create. Thank you for watching my video.